just a quick one. The inside of my fuel tank is rusty, or it's not great, and it keeps blocking up the carbs. So it needs a good old clean. So I'm going to start off with some white vinegar. Leave it in there for a couple of hours, give it a shake, move it around, and then see what it breaks up. So let's see how that does. Alright, that's full of, well, I say full, it's got some white vinegar in there. I'll leave that in there for a good couple of hours, giving it a shake, and hopefully it will start to clear up. So that's 1 hour in. I'm getting a little bit of a shake. Not much is happening. You can definitely see some bits have loosened up. Let's see what it looks like in another hour's time. Alright, so this is after 4 hours. It's definitely better, but there's improvement to be had for sure. So just giving it a quick rinse out with some water, and for it flash rusts, I'm going to put it back in. Right, it's been 5 hours now. Giving it a shake around every hour. It looks so much better. There's still some in there though. So I think a couple more hours. Let's see where we're at. That's the state of the water. Or the white vinegar. Not looking very white. So that's going to go back in. Go for another run. Right, this has been sitting overnight. Doesn't really look any different, but I'm going to empty this out into the bucket. Then I'm going to run the jet wash on the inside, but I'm going to run it with just the hose because the attachments I've got are too brutal, and if you use brutal you end up with holes in your tank. So I just need something just to agitate the inside. So I'll do that. Then I'm going to bring it back to my bathtub, fill it back up with water, rinse it out, then fill it up with water and baking soda, let that sit for a minute, let it drain, see what we're left with. It's now got baking soda and water in it. I'm just going to let it sit for 2-3 minutes, drain it, then I'm going to get the hairdryer on the tank and dry it up. Alright, I'm just going to give it a quick dry of the old hairdryer now. Right, that's it dried. It's not perfect, but it's so much better than it was, as you can see. I could do the process again, but for the time it takes, I'm alright with the way it is now. It's much better. It's not going to be filling the carb up with junk. So yeah, just got to keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't flash rust. I don't think it will, because I've neutralised it with the baking soda. But I'll keep an eye on it. Thanks for watching.